After the little barbecue video, me and Tim finna show y'all how strong we is to get this bed up. Y'all watch this shit. All right, man, we got it all. Let y'all see. All right, we got it up. Now I'm finna let y'all see what's on the other side, what I'm trying to take off. Say what, bro? Today? So I'm trying to get them train horns off, both sets, the tank, them valves. All this stuff should be in good shape. They've been upside down for a year. Them tubs, they gone, they been gone, so we ain't gonna worry about them. I'm taking this whole shed thing across the scale. It ain't used to keeping it. Too many dents in it. Well, I'm gonna get to work, y'all.
Superman himself.
I'm back, y'all. I'm back. Scrimped and all. When I finish the truck, man, y'all gonna love it. Y'all gonna like it. But right now, I'm finna do this real quick. Y'all watch the video. One down, y'all. One down. All this stuff gonna go on the bottom of the truck this time, on the frame side. I'm not gonna put it in the bed like that. I'm gonna put them up on the bottom. All right, y'all, so there you have it. We got the bed clean. Then y'all just walk around with all the material that's going on my other truck, and I'm gonna show y'all where it's gonna go. So it already does swap. So we're gonna put it on, show y'all where my mount. I got the 2-quart train horn bracket. That thing loud too, but my truck was so loud. And keep in mind, I got this done back in 2008, and these things still work and it's still good because I keep up with my stuff. Like they need polishing though. Like they still shining. Look, still got a shine to it. But I probably polish them before I put them. Well, I ain't got to polish them now. They're going on the bottom of the bed. Might powder coat them black or something. Then again, I might leave them chrome. That's one tank. That was my tank I had in the back for the train horns. And I had 2 other tanks for the bags. So that's the compressor. I got 4 brand new compressors. Nothing wrong with that one, so I'm gonna keep that on the train horn. And the other compressor can go each compressor gonna be on each bag. Right, front right, right back, left front. And that's the valves. So those valves, man, believe it or not, those things right there alone cost $650 just for these copper thing. They'll never go bad. They said brass or whatever, brass, and all that stuff still works. They didn't get no water on it. They just look like that because of the, you know, when anything outside in the element gonna look ashy and dusty. If you go outside long enough, you'll be ashy and dusty. You hear me? But this is the bed, man. I wish it was okay, but the bed is gone. It's fixable, no lie. It really is fixable. That big old dent came from a deer, coming from Union Springs, and a deer hit me on the side of the truck, man. Messed up on the Lamborghini door up and that. I never did get it fixed. That dent come from somebody backed into me at you can see the way they backed into me and kept riding at Walmart. So the insurance paid for that. I ain't gonna lie, they paid me for that. I just never got it fixed. This right here was, these right here was the reverse. Like when you put in reverse, it be beep, 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 beep. I had that on this truck also. Cause I had loud music. I wanted to let them know I was backing up. If I was backing up, the tail light wires, I may take those out. I might say those. Somebody could be looking for those. Let me see how they come out. Oh, they just come out through the back. That's it. All right. So I might just take those out. Take that out. Yeah, I might just take those off. Let me do it while it's on my mind. It just snaps out, so take that out. I ain't what about doing it on camera. That's all right. Take that plug out. That's it, y'all. I'm gonna take this across the scale. I'm gonna put it back in the truck. But let me show y'all what all the stuff gonna get mounted at. Show y'all what all this stuff gonna get mounted at. Yep, today is Wednesday the 7th, and we're gonna head to Arlington tomorrow. All right, I'm gonna get up back here, all in that area, turn down. With my exhaust there, I'm gonna turn down up under there. So I already have 2 tanks on the bottom, so I'm gonna have those. You know, these 2 tanks only for the bag, and other tanks are gonna be just for the compressor. So I can be able to play. See the thing already on the ground. So I'm just gonna add everything up on the bed right in this area here. The train horn in this area. And then have them point down to the ground. So that might give, I may put one back here, one bracket back here, and then try to see could he put one toward the front, so I can have both angles. So I can get back, front, you know, when I'm passing. So I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. But it'll be done in due time. You know what I'm saying? But y'all, man, this video is over with. Lasted a little too long. I'm gonna get out of here, man. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this day. And man, thank y'all for watching the video. Thanks for like. Thanks for the comment. Thanks for subscribing. I really do mean it. I'm gonna clean this up before I get to Texas. So just see me now. I'm gonna let y'all see my nappy head. It's over with. Don't be clean though. I'll just be rough when I'm at work because I'm around students. I always gotta keep a mask on so it ain't used to being fresh. You got your mask on all the time. And but like I said, man, I'm out. I'm gonna end this video. I got a 400 transmission too. If anybody looking for the late model 400 transmission. Nothing wrong with it. Nothing at all. Cause I took it out my truck with the dinosaur motor in it. So you see how big that yoke is? 400. Got the drive shaft right here with a big yoke on it. Like I said, transmission. I let it go for 200. Anybody looking for the old late model 400? Still got power, still straight, nothing wrong with it. So if you Alabama, you somewhere nearby, you want the 400, I'll take $200, man. You can't beat that. But man, this video over 5 minutes ago, and I mean it this time. It's your boy. You hear me? Diesel, Diesel.